I know you have heard of content writing, article writing, SEO, keyword research, and all other forms of writing that freelancers use to make money online. But have you heard of professional CV and resume writing? Did you know that you can make a consistent income monthly writing professional CVs and resumes for clients within and outside Nigeria? Hola, my name is Catherine Yuka. I am a professional CV and resume writer, and I have had the privilege to work with clients within and outside Nigeria. I have been able to create mind-blowing CVs and help a lot of people secure opportunities. Now, in my 2 years of writing professional CVs, there are two things I have to say. One is that people are submitting terrible CVs. Honestly, graduates don't know how to write CVs. Professionals don't know how to write CVs. A lot of people lack this knowledge. A lot of people have missed out on opportunities because they have been submitting terrible CVs. Now, the second thing that I have to say is that there is money to be made from this industry. Now, because people don't know how to write CVs, this is where your expertise come in. As a professional CV writer, your job is to help people create a CV that will attract these offers for them. Now, I really wish I could go all out and explain everything you need to know in this video, but it will be too long. That is why I have prepared a free webinar for you. Okay, in this webinar, I am going to walk you through everything you need to know about CV and resume writing and how you can make a consistent income writing professional CVs for clients on LinkedIn. I will teach you how to position yourself. I will teach you the skill, and I will teach you the business of the skill. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, click the learn more button or click the link somewhere in this video to register for my free webinar. Okay, like I said earlier, I will explain everything you need to know. I still remain your favorite CV writer, and I'll see you in the webinar.